Assalamu alaikum. My name is Musa Bojang, metric number 1170001. So I am going to be presenting on how to install Microsoft Studio, Visual Studio and MASM. So I have the link actually from my friend. So this link, it will prompt you to login. I already logged in with using my USIM information. So you will have to click here to install the software, okay, the Microsoft installer. So once you have the installer, you can open it here, and then you can see that the packages you need to download. You need to have this one, and you need to have the desktop development with C++ and the .NET desktop development. So once you have it, you just install it. I already have it installed, so I'm just gonna close this and now open Visual Studio, not the installer. So now once I open Visual Studio, I will have to create a new project. And I'm going to create an empty project. I'm gonna name this project video assignment. So create a project. So we create a project. We have all these files here which we are not going to use. So what we need to do is just we can just leave them there and create a new file here. So we leave the file type as C++, but we change the name here and give it the name main.asm, which stands for MASM. So what we need to do next is we need to check the build dependencies and make sure we click this one, MASM targets. Okay, and after that, what do we need to do? I think yeah, that's almost all. Let's see the properties. So here we have to select the item type to be Microsoft macro assembler, apply and OK. So from this stage we can run our code, but I don't think my code is going to run because I need to include the library, the Ivan library. So what I need to do is I need to go to properties and find the link. So additional directories, library directory. So it's in my C drive. So I'm gonna just give it that Irvin, and so yeah, and I need to go to the expand the linker and come here and type Irvin 32.lib and semicolon, so .lib semicolon, and so I applied it one also. We done so general. Okay, include path. We need to include the path also again here. Okay, this is the name of the folder at the C drive, this one. So we can apply and hope that it will work. Okay, we have to build first. Fingers crossed. Let's see. No errors. Okay, so success. 0 failed. So now we can just start without debugging to see the result. So basically this program add the array of all these numbers. So we can see 9 plus 2 is 11, plus 10 is 21, plus 4 is 25, and 5 is 30. And that's the answer we got from here. So that's the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.